Hey guys, so tonight I'm going to be making a chicken broccoli braid for supper. So this is how it starts. I just have one chicken breast cut up into small pieces and about 1/4 of a red pepper in there. So now I've added about 1.5 to 2 cups of broccoli and cauliflower that is raw, 2 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise, a little bit of garlic powder, and some pepper. And I'm going to mix that all together. So here's what the filling looks like all mixed up. You can adjust the seasonings, the garlic, the pepper, and the mayonnaise to whatever you and your family prefer. This is just how much I use, but if you want to use more or less, then whatever you like. It's up to you. So the next thing that I do is get 2 tubes of 8 crescent rolls, so that should be 16 altogether, and I lay them out and I'll show you how I design it next. Okay, so after you take out the crescent rolls from the tube, you're going to lay them out one by one after you separate them, and you're going to go place one down like this, and then you're going to place one over on the other side, and you're going to overlap them in the middle here, just very ever so slightly, and push them down so they're sealed together, so your filling doesn't seep out of the bottom anywhere. And the very last one, I just flipped it around like this, as you can see, just so the end of it closes properly. Here's what it looks like with the filling inside, and then you're just going to start folding it over like this.